Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're re-embarking on an incredible journey to explore some of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on our planet. The 6 largest lakes in the world. These vast bodies of water are not just breathtakingly beautiful, they are vital arteries of our planet, supporting ecosystems, economies, and entire civilizations. So, grab your virtual passport and let's dive in, starting with a lake so colossal it's called a sea. At number 1, we have the Caspian Sea, spanning a mind-boggling 371,000 square kilometers. This behemoth is nestled between Europe and Asia. To put that into perspective, the Caspian Sea is larger than the entire country of Germany. It's a true geographical anomaly. While it's technically an endorheic basin, meaning it has no outflow to the ocean, its sheer size and saltwater characteristics have earned it the title of a sea, bordered by 5 countries: Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Iran, and Azerbaijan. It's a melting pot of cultures and history. But it's not just its size that's impressive. The Caspian Sea is an economic powerhouse. Beneath its surface lie vast reserves of oil and natural gas, making it a critical region for global energy. And for you foodies out there, the Caspian is legendary for its sturgeon, the source of some of the world's most sought-after caviar, from its saline southern waters to its fresher northern reaches. The Caspian Sea is a world of its own, a saltwater giant landlocked in the heart of Eurasia. Now, let's travel across the Atlantic to North America for our number 2 spot, the king of all freshwater lakes, Lake Superior. With a surface area of 82,100 square kilometers, it's not just the largest of the Great Lakes, it's the largest freshwater lake on Earth by surface area. This majestic lake, shared by the United States and Canada, holds a staggering 10% of the world's surface freshwater. That's enough to cover the entire landmass of North and South America in a foot of water. Lake Superior is renowned for its deep, crystal clear, and frigid waters. Its rugged coastline, adorned with dramatic cliffs, pristine forests, and pebble beaches, is a paradise for adventurers and nature lovers. But don't let its beauty fool you. The lake is famous for its unpredictable weather and powerful storms, which have claimed many ships over the centuries, turning its depths into a maritime museum. As a crucial part of the Great Lakes waterway, it's also a vital shipping corridor connecting the heartland of North America to the rest of the world. It's a place of raw, untamed beauty, a true natural treasure. From the cool climes of North America, we now journey to the vibrant heart of Africa to find our 3rd largest lake, Lake Victoria, covering approximately 68,800 square kilometers. It's Africa's largest lake and the world's 2nd largest freshwater lake by surface area. This vast, relatively shallow lake is shared by 3 nations: Tanzania, Uganda, and Kenya. Lake Victoria is the lifeblood for millions of people. It's the primary source of the White Nile, one of the 2 main tributaries of the legendary Nile River. The lake's basin is one of the most densely populated rural areas in the world, with countless communities relying on its waters for fishing, agriculture, and transportation. The fishing industry here is enormous, centered around species like the introduced Nile perch. However, the lake faces significant challenges. Overfishing, pollution, and the spread of invasive species like the water hyacinth have put immense pressure on its delicate ecosystem. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this vital resource, ensuring that Lake Victoria can continue to sustain life for generations to come. It's a lake that truly embodies the connection between humanity and nature. Returning to North America, we find our fourth largest lake. Another gem in the Great Lakes crown, Lake Huron, with a surface area of 59,600 square kilometers. Lake Huron is a stunning body of water situated between Ontario, Canada, and the state of Michigan in the US. What makes Lake Huron particularly special is that it boasts the longest shoreline of all the Great Lakes, thanks to its many bays and inlets. Most famously, it's home to the magnificent Georgian Bay and the world's largest freshwater island, Manitoulin Island. This island is so large that it has over 100 lakes of its own. Lake Huron's waters are a mesmerizing shade of blue, and its shores are a mix of sandy beaches, rocky outcrops, and lush forests. It's a popular destination for boating, fishing, and kayaking. Like its siblings, Lake Huron is a critical part of the Great Lakes shipping route. But beneath its serene surface lies a history of turbulent storms and shipwrecks, particularly in an area known as Shipwreck Alley. Today, it serves as both an economic highway and a natural playground, a beautiful and powerful force of nature. Next up at number 5, we have a lake that stands alone, quite literally, Lake Michigan, covering 58,000 square kilometers. It's unique among the Great Lakes, as it is the only one located entirely within the United States. Its shores touch 4 states: Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan. For millions of people, Lake Michigan is a part of daily life. The sprawling metropolis of Chicago graces its southwestern shore, its iconic skyline creating a stunning contrast with the vast expanse of water. The lake provides drinking water for millions and is a hub for recreation. Its eastern shore is famous for the Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore, featuring towering sand dunes that offer spectacular views. Hydrologically speaking, Lake Michigan and Lake Huron are actually one body of water, connected by the 5-mile-wide Straits of Mackinac. This means they share the same water level and are sometimes considered a single lake, Lake Michigan-Huron. If they were, they would easily be the largest freshwater lake in the world. But as they are officially recognized, Lake Michigan holds its own as a magnificent and vital American treasure. For our final destination, we journey back to Africa, to the Great Rift Valley, to witness our 6th largest lake, Lake Tanganyika, stretching across 32,900 square kilometers. It may be 6th in surface area, but it holds some incredible records. It is the world's longest freshwater lake, running for about 673 kilometers from north to south. More impressively, it's the second deepest lake in the world, plunging to a depth of nearly 1,500 meters, second only to Lake Baikal. This incredible depth means it holds a massive volume of water, the second largest of any lake. Shared by four countries, Tanzania, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Burundi, and Zambia, Lake Tanganyika is an ancient wonder, formed millions of years ago. Its long isolation has allowed for a remarkable evolutionary process. The lake is a biodiversity hotspot, home to hundreds of species of cichlid fish, most of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Its crystal-clear waters make it a paradise for snorkelers and divers. For the millions living along its shores, Lake Tanganyika is a crucial source of food and income, making its preservation a top priority. It's a stunning example of nature's artistry and a window into our planet's deep past. And there you have it, a tour of the 6 largest lakes on Earth, from the salty expanse of the Caspian Sea to the ancient depths of Lake Tanganyika. Each of these giants tells a unique story of geology, ecology, and human history. They are so much more than just water. They are lifelines, cultural cornerstones, and sources of endless wonder. Which of these lakes would you most like to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Until next time, stay curious.